Recently, I've been following a simple but powerful strategy that is helping me stop procrastinating and making it easier for me to stick to good habits at the same time. The best part, it's such a simple strategy that it couldn't be easier to use. And I want to share it with you today so that you can try it out and see how it can positively impact your level of success in achieving your goals. Introducing the 2-minute rule. Now, the 2-minute rule states that when you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do. You'll find that nearly any habit can be scaled down into a 2-minute version. For example, fold the laundry becomes fold 1 pair of socks. Run 3 miles becomes tie my running shoes. Read before bed each night becomes read 1 page. Do 30 minutes of yoga becomes take out my yoga mat. Study for class becomes open my notes. The idea is to make your habits as easy as possible to start. Anyone can meditate for 1 minute, read 1 page, or put 1 item of clothing away. A new habit should not feel like a challenge. Although the actions that follow may be challenging, but the first 2 minutes should be easy. What you want is a gateway habit that naturally leads you down a more productive path. To figure out the gateway habits that will lead you to your desired outcome, you can do so by mapping out your goals on a scale from very easy to very hard. For instance, running a marathon is very hard. Running a 5K is hard. Walking 10,000 steps is moderately difficult. Walking 10 minutes is easy. And putting on your running shoes is very easy. Your goal might be to run a marathon, but your gateway habit is to put on your running shoes. The 2-minute rule works because once you master the art of showing up, the first 2 minutes simply becomes a ritual at the beginning of a larger routine, which eventually will help you to achieve your goals.